Hey YouTube, what's up, man? This is Mr. Chubbs coming at you. This is a W2 Mercedes E320 side view mirror for the 0306 W211. Alright, so what's going on right now is that this is my mirror. You see, started going out, the heater mirror is finished, it's done. Went to look for these online. Cheapest I found was about 70-80 bucks. And I was like, yeah, no, okay. Dealership is very expensive new. So what I found was a C-Class, I think up to '07, has the mirror almost exactly the same. And what happened is, it's just like a little tab right here that you need to put a wire to, but it still worked. The clips are the same that you're gonna lock it into right here. That you put the clip in here, it still works the same. So easiest way to do this is to take this side view mirror off first. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. Hold on, I'm picking up a pin. This is the pin that goes on the back of the mirror to hold it in place. So you hold it here, put it around, and then you lock it in. So this is the clip that you're gonna have to take off to pop this mirror out. So once you take that clip off, this mirror will pop right out. So I see a couple of YouTube videos where they still have the cover on and they're trying to access it from the top. I hate that. That looks horrible. You might scratch the paint on here. Take this piece completely off. It's not hard at all. It's a clip that holds right there. You should do it with a screwdriver, flathead, pop it out, and this will pop right out. Okay, easiest way to do it. Once you got that off, take this clip off right here and then pull this right out. Beautiful, easy. So this, again, this is for a C-Class. That's my E-Class. I just put it in, I turn the car on, this moves very nicely. So all I'm gonna do, I don't know if I lost the heating function, but I'll know one day in the morning when it's cold. I'll see if I lost the heating function on the mirror. But if I do, I don't care. I'm in Florida, it's hot, I don't care. So now, what I did is took a little, you can use like WD-40 or something. I got this that I got from work, Teflon spray. So just spray it on the contacts, and what you can see the plastic moves around. And what happens is it gets really old, and you can notice that your mirror starts going, starts turning really hard. Just take this, spray it around. Try not to get it onto the plugs inside. Just get it around there. I like to get it onto, like, see this metal here? This moves around with it. Put a little on that metal. There's another one on the bottom. Okay, right there. Spray a little there. And then now it's more free to move around. Okay? And then you probably stop that effect of it going when it's trying to turn around because it's so tough to move. So now this should be moving nice and freely. Sorry about that. And we're done, guys. Well, I hope this helped you. And good luck, man. Oh, one more thing before I go. When you put this back in, you see that clip right there? That's for your side view mirror. Make sure it locks into this piece right here. And make sure you hear that clip when you push it back in. Take care, guys. Also, check out my website, chubbyflyers.com. CHUBBYFLYERS. I will have it down in the description. Like if this helped you. If it didn't, I'm sorry. I tried my best. Take care.